Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2020. This is the 2021 range from Weinsberg, a brand of Knaus Tablet. This vehicle here is the CaraHome 700 DG, and it costs, its price, 63,000 from just under 50,000, so it's got about 13,000 or thereabouts of extras on it. 741 centimeters long, maximum height 320, internal height maximum 200, and 741 said that, yeah, 230 centimeters wide on the outside and 16 on the inside. Right, so overcab model with this completely pointless, in my opinion, rear facing seat. But you may say, yes, but you can make it into a bed, so it's not completely pointless. Okay, you can get 6 people in it, sleeping in it. You could probably get more for one of these competitions like that in the phone box, see how many people you can get in the van. So 2 will go up there. This has got windows at both sides and at the top. They seem to have done something with that space up there, which I'm always complaining about being empty, and they've also put a little cubby hole thing there, so you can actually store stuff up there, like whatever you keep out at night can actually go there. So I'm gonna give some marks for that. They've got their own handles here, aluminium handles, so that's furniture handles. Let's give that a go. And we'll close it. We'll see if it's soft close. Not that anybody's claiming it to be soft close. That's a hard close, but it did close. And a rather nice kitchen. It's got a water filtration system. Now this one here is claiming to have soft close. So, right, we'll place your bets now. Will this have soft close or not? Go on. Yep, that was definitely soft close. Kitchen's quite large, a lot of space here, 3 burners. I was doing a video yesterday and I just said, without even looking, I said, oh, it's got 3 burners, it's standing, didn't have 2. It has got, let's go to the back, there's the fridge. Now, it has thought of the fact that there needs storage, which, quite honest, isn't too bad. Here, look at that, huge amount of storage in there. That was a bit dark, could benefit from a light. You can't let everything, I suppose. And also, haven't finished yet. So, you know, for 6 people actually travelling, that's pretty good. Widthwise bed at the back. And there, more storage. It's ideally designed to make sure things fall off as the vehicle is in motion. I mean, what would you want to have the door on the thing for if you could do without the door? Right, let's go in here. Now, you may be wondering, what's the point of putting a sink over the toilet? Now, that's a good point. I do accept that one. But this thing here moves and it works. Oh, how about that? So there you are. You're probably either in the shower or using the toilet, but not doing the 2 at the same time. I don't know, maybe you are doing the 2 at the same time. I would demonstrate that if I knew how, but I don't. So no demonstration. And there should also be, there's a bit of plastic thing here as well that comes across to keep the toilet dry. Right, I'm going to sit down here and have a look at the most important features, such as, what's the weight? Right, empty weight 2,825. Right, so if you have got 6 sleeping places, 6 people traveling, 6 adults traveling, 6 adults traveling weighing 75 kilos each, that is 450. Well, as you can see, there's still quite a fair bit of payload on top. We still got a couple 100 kilos. So fill the water up, fill the tank up with fuel. Okay, I know it's coming close, but it's much better than many other companies actually offer. That's assuming 4 people, 6 people weighing an average of 75, which I think is reasonable. If you think that's unreasonable, then make the comment as such below. It could of course be 4 children, in which case they will weigh much less, unless they're from the United States, in which case they probably will be weighing more. Just a little joke there for the 18% of the viewers from the United States. Alright, oh, there's plenty of room in here as well. Yeah, that's a very nice garage. So I can't fault the garage, and it comes with a bike thing on the back and full LED lights at the rear. Now if that's too much of an overcab for you, you can go have this one here on a Fiat chassis. That's why I said, you know it's a Fiat, because it says so on this thing here, so just in case you missed this one there. This thing here comes at a cost of 61,500, well more than that, about 61,575. It is well, it's not even 6 meters, 599 centimeters in length. Let's have a look inside, then I'll come out and do some of the other details. I don't want to stand by the sign because somebody else then comes into the van while I'm doing the sign. You see, so I'd rather do the sign inside, and fortunately the sign has been placed inside as well. I think there's actually a 6-meter van like this. You know, it is, personally I'd rather have a 6-meter van. Now the over cab does burn a bit more fuel, but I must admit that I'm coming more onto the idea of using a 6-meter overcab because of the extra storage that it gives. At the end of the day, you know, the fuel, it's minor really as far as the cost is concerned. I noticed that when the prices came down in the United States, there were articles, people saying, oh, RVing is back because the fuel prices are cheap. But if you're going to buy a new van, I hardly think the cost of the fuel is likely to actually put you off, you know, unless it's sort of quadrupled in value or something like that. Shower's the same as in the bigger unit. Right, so it's very much the smaller version. Oh, and I'll point this one out as well. Look at that, the floor is flat to the back. This is odd colour. I mean, I like it, but I mean, it seems a bit odd. This sort of metallic type colour. There's your fridge. Seems very odd to me, but anyway, I don't know about style. So maybe it's fantastic. Right, what about the weight? 2,625. So you know, whatever happens, you've got plenty of space in there. The width of the van is 230. So that's, you know, for a 6-meter van, that is quite wide. Personally, I prefer it to be a bit thinner. Maybe get rid of some of that the corridor. But then again, people, if they want a corridor, then I suppose I can understand that. Let's let's have another look at this. There's yet another one here. New CaraHome 600, and this one here. Yeah, I'll just go in quickly before somebody comes over and takes my place. Right, well, it's got bunk beds at the back, got a lot of storage, so you can have the bed as a bunk or not, as you may desire. No signal. Oh, it's also got this metallic type furniture in here. (61,645 centimeters in length), and there you go, weight 2,705. Okay, so that are the new overcab vans from Weinsberg. I hope that you found that of interest, and lots more comments about motorhomes on my site. I would, however, advise you to have a look at other manufacturers as well, rather than just Weinsberg, because they do occasionally have problems with them. Okay, all the best from Düsseldorf. Thanks for watching.